Taters, can you sing?
Take a picture.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm making a video. Here, go play your piano and sing like you've been doing. This is captivating. Taters! Hi! Can you sing ABCs?
ABC.
ABCs? Go sing ABCs with your microphone. Hey.
Focus.
Focus, yeah, focus.
ABC.
ABCs. Get your microphone and sing. He got this piano for his birthday, and he plays it all the time, but has to get his microphone. You like it?
I like it.
You want to sing? Oh, good playing. Should we sing our ABCs? Tate. Sing A, B, C, D, E, F,
C.
H, I,
H.
J, K, L, M, N, O,
P.
Q, R,
P. S.
T, U,
V.
W,
Mama.
X.
And tickle
You
me.
don't need to tickle me. Remember, focus?
Focus.
Y and...
And tickle Mama.
Oh, you don't need to tickle Mama. Now I know my... Tate.
ABC.
Next time, won't you? Next time, won't you? Oh, you can't focus. Tate, that's the cutest part. Now I know my... this is lost cause. Why are you being crazy? Hey, don't break that. And the drums and the piano. Whoa, monster. Taters, how old are you?
And 2.
You're 2? What's your name? Crazy boy? What's your name?
2.
Your name is 2? Okay, can you go turn off your piano?
No. Turn
Yeah, turn off your piano. Okay, look at Mommy and say, love you.
Double.
Say bye. Can you say bye? Say, see you later. Or can you just being crazy and insane? Whoa. Okay, Mommy's going. See you later. Bye.